Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples and the apostles throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. We're doing this so that we can build our faith, and faith comes by hearing the Rhema word of God. So now, if you want more people to build for them faith, just click the like button and say, I believe or me believe in the comments below, and share this video with somebody. And if you haven't done it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 24 from verse 1 to verse 8. Early Sunday morning, the woman them go at the tomb with the spice where them they look about. Them find the stone roll away from front of the tomb. Them go in there, but them not find Jesus' body. Same time when them a wonder what two man in a clothes were bright like light come turn upside of them. The woman them heart reach at them mouth and them end on their head cause them so frightened. But the man them said to them, say, when make uno a look for the one where live monks the one them were dead? Him not there. Him come back alive. Remember when him tell you no, when him did monks in a Galilee? Them a go take the man where God pick, give wicked people where go kill him on the cross. But him a go come back alive 3 days later. Then they remember what Jesus did tell them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.